Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will tell you a few things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Huawei Y61. So I'm always starting with the simplest way I can find my headphones. Just restart the Bluetooth connection. To do it, just open the settings, go to the Bluetooth and just turn it off and turn it on again by this slider. Then try to change the device name and look for your device again. If your device is still not visible for your phone, just try to restart the phone and the Bluetooth accessory. You have to be sure that Bluetooth accessory is visible for your phone, and you have to enable in the most devices you have to enable a pair mode, and how to do it you will find in the manual instructions or on your YouTube channel. In my case I have to click 3 times this button and the headphones are in the pair mode. So it's clear. You have to be sure that the device is visible for your phone. After that, go to the if you still don't have your device on the Bluetooth list, go to the system and updates and go to the reset. Now just type on the reset network settings and just simply reset it. Confirm by the pattern and look for your device again. The next recommendation: try to update your system. Just you can check it in the same section. Just go to the system and updates, software updates, and if you have something available, just download it and install. And last recommendation from me: check the phone and the Bluetooth accessory on other device to check which gadget making a problem here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.